Minister's visit to Kedarnath temple tomorrow. He will be in Kedarnath and preparations are on in full swing. He is also slated to inaugurate multiple infrastructure projects. My colleague Madhurima, who sent us this report, please take a look.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all scheduled to visit Kedarnath in Uttarakhand tomorrow, that is 5th of November post Diwali. Following the particular schedule, as you can see right behind me, is the security briefing happening. A massive security deployment is underway, and as you can see, the senior officials are informing all the other police officials and security forces as to what they have to do as and when and how during the Prime Minister's visit here at Uttarakhand. These are the visuals that we are bringing you from Kedarnath itself, where the Prime Minister will be arriving tomorrow and will be inaugurating the Samadhi of Adi Shankaracharya ji that had got destroyed during the 2013 floods, following which he will also pay obeisance at the Kedarnath temple, which holds a crucial relevance with the Prime Minister, and following which he will also be inaugurating multiple developmental projects here as well. His entire tour is scheduled to be of a couple of hours, following which he will leave from Kedarnath. This is a very crucial meeting as it visit of the Prime Minister, as it comes ahead of the crucial Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand Assembly election. We've seen Prime Minister coming here during ahead of 2019 Assembly general elections as well, and now ahead of this crucial visit, the security deployment is being done so as to make sure that all goes well.
Madhurima now joins us live on the broadcast. Madhurima, we do get a sense of what is happening there. Tell us what is happening now.
Well, Swesha, we'll take you straight to the visuals as to you can see that the entire Kedarnath temple has been once again redecorated ahead of Prime Minister's visit over here. All preparations are underway and all efforts are being made to make sure that this particular visit goes without a hitch. I'll also show you the number of devotees that have gathered here, massive number of devotees, because it is the last day when people can come in and pay obeisance at this particular temple, as from 6th the doors will be shut and from today onwards nobody will be allowed to come up. Moving forward, we'll also show you the kind of arrangements that have been done here by the authorities so as to make sure that tomorrow's event, because the Prime Minister will also be inaugurating the Adi Shankaracharya Samadhi, but he'll also be holding a public meeting as well, following which all chairs have been put up over here to make sure that people who will be attending this particular event can be seated and can listen to the Prime Minister. I'll request my camera person to show you the preparations that have taken place over here. These are the preparations, live visuals from Kedarnath in front of the Kedarnath temple. These arrangements have been made. People will be sitting here and listening to the Prime Minister while he addresses this very crucial public rally over here at Kedarnath ahead of Uttarakhand Assembly elections. You can see as to multiple briefings are happening one by one, from local people over here to the police official to the security forces. All our hands are on deck, Swesha, so as to make sure that tomorrow's Prime Minister's visit, a very crucial one in fact, goes without a hitch. We are bringing you the very colorful visuals from the temple of Kedarnath, where the Prime Minister will be coming once again after 2019 and paying obeisance. We know that this temple holds a lot of relevance in the Prime Minister's lives. In his early days, he used to come here to pray and meditate, and ever since then, he has been coming here time and again. And once again, ahead of the crucial elections, we'll see him. He will be inaugurating a multiple number of developmental projects also over the Mandakini River, following which the Samadhi will be inaugurated, and then he will be visiting the temple and receiving the blessings of Lord Shiva. Swesha.
Absolutely. Madhurima, thank you for joining us for the moment. We'll come back to you. And tomorrow, certainly a busy day for the Prime Minister, a day after Diwali. It is going to be at Kedarnath, Power Pack Day. For the moment, thank you, Madhurima.